What is up, people? This is Travis Madden, your gamer. I'm still new to this, only got one video up. But, yeah, actually, this isn't a game, nor anything else I gotta show you. This is actually one of my vacations. Just wanted to show you guys, if you watch my videos. Yeah, really cool place. This is a house that we rented. People just walk up on the beach like nothing. Yeah, this is a house that we rented. See? No, I'm just kidding. It's a hotel. It's a nice hotel, very nice. But yeah, there's a beach right there. It's a public beach. Anybody can go. Yeah, there's pool, 8-foot pool, tennis courts right there, the triangle game. If you could tell me in the comments, or if you could see, but yeah, if you could tell me in the comments, that'd be cool. Yeah, really nice beach. People, yeah, a lot of things. See, there's people walking. Yeah, really nice beach, really clear, really clear unless it rains. Yeah, really nice beach. You can do anything. Oh, and just so you know, it's in Florida, Destin. If you wanted to know. Well, just wanted to show you guys if you ever wanted to come here. But, yeah, really nice waves, really cool place. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.